Hello everyone, friends! Welcome to the Waiver channel. Today I'll show you how to change the time format on Windows 11. To do this, we need to click the button on the right for time. Click Adjust Time and Date, and then, well, configure the settings. Here click Change Date and Time Format. And here we can choose between 12-hour mode and 24-hour mode. The difference is just a 0 added in front. So if we select this one, we'll get the 24-hour format. If we pick this one, we'll get the 12-hour format, and that's how it works. That's all for today. This was Waiver. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you all later.